Hey guys, it's Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. I just wanted to do a quick overview today of what we did and give you guys a little recap of the day here. So, first things first, I want you guys to see my screen, which I think you can here. We started off the day with buying some Hilton. We bought some Hilton. Occupancy's going higher there, and we felt confident buying that July 17th 85 strike call, which gives us plenty of time here until expiration. We bought that, and then we started to see 3M start to rise. And here's 3M. So as you can see here, over here, this order, you can see it tells you the time that it filled, the price, and everything like that. So you can see right here, we filled at 10:02 a.m. So if you guys know our trade plan and our trade system that we teach at BreakingChartAlerts.com, you'll know that there's three key things that we're looking for. And on our execution at 10:02, we saw the nice breakout on 3M. We had the MACD, the SMAs converge. We had a nice breakout. 10:02 was right. 10:02 was right here. Here's the specific candle at 10:02. It looked like we were going to start to head higher. We jumped in and we said, you know what, let's do a day trade. And we ended up picking up the 3M May 29th 157.50 strike calls here at 10:02 a.m. So we jumped in that trade at 10:02 a.m. And as you can see right here, we paid 84 cents a contract. There's 100 shares a contract, so each contract costed us $84. So we picked up 20 contracts. So it was about a $1,600, $1,700 trade there. About a $1,700 trade. And you could see we got that at 10:02, and then we ended up selling at 10:37. So we got in at 10:02. Here was our signal. We were jumping in. We got in a little bit late, but we wanted to make sure the markets were confirming a nice breakout there because we pulled back sharply earlier. So we were in consolidation. We're in that trade, about 10 minutes now, 15 minutes, and it's like, we're down about 10% on the trade, but nothing looked bad there. Still looked fine. We started the breakout here at 10:18. 10:18, we had a big breakout, and up here you could see we ended up selling 3M at 10:37. Nice breakout. 10:18 we started that breakout momentum. We retraced down to that 10-day simple moving average, broke out again, retraced down to that 10, and we started to head higher. But we ended up selling a little bit early at 10:37. Here's a 10:37 candle right here. We ended up locking in a pretty nice gain on 3M. That was the first trade that we ended up locking in. And if you could see on here, 3M, we ended up buying it for 84 cents. You can see right here, the 3M May 29th, 157.50 calls. We ended up getting 20 contracts. That was a day trade. We purchased it today, 528. And we ended up selling it here, as you can see, for $1.10 on the same day, May 28th. So our initial trade here, they put this in two contracts, two different contracts here, two different legs it got executed on, but 20 contracts in total, 84 cents. So it was about a $1,700 trade. We ended up selling it for about a $500 profit, which is really nice to start off the morning. So about 300, 200, it was about a $499 profit, and that was quick. We got in at 10:02. As you can see here, we were executed on 3M at 10:02 a.m. and then we ended up selling at, where is it here? Here we go. We ended up selling at 10:37. So that was, a 35-minute trade we were in, 35-minute trade, and we made a quick $500 on that trade. And that's following our trade system, our trade plan, and it was nice though. But here's the thing, guys. I wanted to teach you guys how we could look at option chains and chart option chains right from the chart itself. So here on the left is a chart of 3M. This is a today 1-minute chart, so each one of these candles represent what the stock did within that 1 minute. Okay, over to the right here, you can see we have the 3M May 29th 157.50 call. So what was really nice about this was we had the breakout here. Now we could actually see what this option did. So at 10:02 when we bought, here it was right here. it was right at that 84 cents that we purchased it at. That was the actual purchase price, 84 cents. And that's what we picked it up for. 84 cents. That was our entry right there at the 10:02. And then here's what this option did this entire time here. So we ended up selling at what price did we, or what time? Let's see. We ended up selling at 10:37. So if you go right here, 10:37, this was us. We sold at $1.10. And if we held a little bit longer, look at what this went up to. It went all the way up to $2.35 a contract. You know, we got in at 84 cents. So if we ended up, that's what I meant about if we ended up holding a little longer. 2.35, divide that by 0.84. That would have been 180% return if we held just about an hour later. But we locked in a 31% gain on that trade, as you can see right here. It was a really nice setup there. We locked in a quick day trade on 3M to start the morning. So about a half hour goes into the day, and we already got $500. And if you guys could see, I'm at Fort Lauderdale Beach here. I came down here. My wife's in Brazil actually getting some plastic surgery done. And so I decided to come to the beach and trade from here for about a week and a half. So I wanted to share with you guys our day here. And like I said, 3M, it was a beautiful start to the day, a quick $500. And then we ended up having a Visa trade. So Visa, we got into Visa on, let's see, it says right here, we got in on, so we had a day trade on Visa, not a day trade, but an overnight trade we made a couple of days ago. That was one in at 513, out at 710. And that was actually one we added to the position. That's right. So like I said here, 520 we got in. What's today's date? The 28th. So we got into this trade about 8 days ago. And, you know, we've been holding on to it. We've been down on it probably about 10, 20% the past few days here. And take a look at what Visa started doing here. So let's get Visa up here. And as you can see, Visa, let's put up a 3-month daily chart. And you could see if E-Trade will cooperate here. E-Trade, I've been having a lot of difficulties with E-Trade Pro lately. Let me see if I could get Visa up over here. I can't even get the charts up here, guys. But as you can see, we ended up closing out that Visa trade for a nice profit here as well. We had a quick $2,798.50 gain within the first 45 minutes of trading. As you can see over here on the order status, we ended up selling our Visa at 13, so that's about 138 we ended up selling. 138 we ended up selling. Well, that's buy to open there. Here's our Visa. Sell to close was at 13:34. So 1:34 p.m. We ended up selling our Visa trades. And then as you can see what we did right here from this order status. So we sold to close. We locked in those large profits on Visa. And this is part of my trade plan and my trade system, is we locked in those profits on that Visa. And here's all the gains on Visa. This one contract, $195.95. These ones here, $263.90, $395.85, $131.95, $131.95, $195.95. $395.85, $587.85. So we had almost $2,000, over $2,000 in Visa profits alone there today. So we made a quick $2,000 on Visa. We locked that in, and as you can see, what did we do when you see this sell to close order here? We sold to close at 13:34, and then 4 minutes later, we took some of those profits that we just locked in, and we ended up buying some more of the Visa 440s for $4.40 a contract there. So we ended up locking in a nice profit, used some of those profits to fuel our next Visa trade. We hopped in, and that's going to be for the June 19th monthly expo. So about, 20-some days to go until that. comes around. So Visa, if I could pull up the chart here, I don't know why E-Trade Pro is not cooperating. But if I could pull up the chart, you'd see Visa still in breakout momentum, looking great, and looking forward to that big run there. So it was a great day today, guys. I hope you guys had a great day as well. And I'm looking forward to day trading tomorrow. We're going to be live on Zoom for Breaking Chart Alert members. And we'll be trading live from BreakingChartAlerts.com. So if you guys have any questions, you want to join us, please shoot us a message on our Facebook business page, and I'd be happy to help you. Alrighty, guys. Have a great night. God bless. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.